Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing great. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing this newly launched Mamaearth Multani Mitti range. So this is the Mamaearth Multani Mitti face wash with Multani Mitti Bulgarian rose. This is for oil control and acne control, and this is made safe certified, dermatologically tested, suitable for all skin type. This is free from SLAs, sulfates, phthalates and silicones, and this retails for 259 rupees. You are getting 100 ml of product. This range has Multani Mitti that works as a natural cleanser. It helps to absorb excess oil and prevents acne. Bulgarian rose is loaded with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It deeply hydrates your skin, as well as this has niacinamide, which is an active form of vitamin B3 that evens out your skin tone and controls excessive oil production. Also, it has vitamin E that nourishes and moisturizes the skin. I love how it makes my skin feel nice, refreshed and clean. Next I have the Mamaearth Multani Mitti face pack, and this has Multani Mitti and Bulgarian rose. This is for oil control and acne control. This retails for 349 rupees for 100 grams of product. This is also crafted with the goodness of Multani Mitti and Bulgarian rose. It heals and prevents acne. It hydrates your skin while adding a natural glow to your skin. It also contains aloe vera and tea tree oil. It soothes irritation and gives a cooling sensation while keeping your acne causing bacteria at bay. All you have to do is apply it, keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off. For best results, I would recommend you to use it twice a week. Anyone above 18 years can use this, and this is suitable for all skin type. Now guys, Multani Mitti is something I've been using since when I was 13-14 years old, and this is such a beautiful ingredient when it comes to skincare product, and especially if you have oily skin, if you have a lot of oil and sebum production, Multani Mitti is something you should definitely try. It's great that this particular range comes with Multani Mitti as well as rose. Now Multani Mitti helps in controlling oil and acne production, and when it comes to rose, it promotes hydration to your skin. Along with Multani Mitti and Bulgarian rose, this particular range contains niacinamide and vitamin E. So this is going to deal with your excessive oil and sebum production. This is going to deal with your acne issues. It's going to even out your skin tone, as well as this is going to provide a healthy hydration to your skin. This particular range is toxin-free, paraben-free, free from any kind of harmful chemicals that can cause harm to your skin, and all of the Mamaearth products are 100% vegan. They are cruelty-free, they are made safe certified, they are dermatologically tested, and most importantly, they are made in India. Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand, and every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a tree that they are going to plant on your behalf. The exact geolocation, the species of the plant, everything will be sent to you. One thing I would like to mention here, that if you use Multani Mitti, it might dry out your skin, but with this particular range, both the face wash and the face mask, it doesn't dry out my skin. So when I use it, it makes my skin feel really nice, clean and fresh, but it doesn't over dry out my skin. It's very gentle on the skin, and my skin feels refreshed and rejuvenated. I hope you guys can clearly see the difference in front of the camera, and this particular range I would highly recommend, because with regular use you can totally see the difference on your skin. And as this particular range contains niacinamide and vitamin E, so not only this is going to deal with your acne issues, but also this is going to control your excessive oil production. This is going to deal with your pigmentation or acne scars that you have, and also this is going to even out your skin tone. Also you guys, this particular range contains a beautiful rose fragrance to it, which I absolutely love, and it doesn't give me headache or anything. It's not overpowering at all. Especially this particular fragrance, it reminds me of my childhood. I don't remember, but my mother used to use some product that exactly smells like this. It just took me instantly to my childhood. I love the fragrance of this one. Also this one, it's really nice, mild and refreshing. So yeah, if you are someone who don't like fragrance in your skincare product, I just wanted to put it there that yes, it has fragrance to it. All of the product details and links, everything is mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And I do have a coupon code with them. If you use that on their website, you'll get extra 20% off. This is not an affiliate code, so I'm not gonna make any money out of it. this is just for you guys. Mamaearth products are also available in stores near you, so for someone who wants to try out the product first and then get it, so just visit your nearby store, try it and then buy it. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Remember, subscribing is for free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So please consider subscribing and join my fam. It would mean the absolute world to me. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.